In any Odoo sales setup, quotations change constantly, prices get renegotiated, scope gets adjusted, terms get revised, and normally, every edit simply overwrites what came before, with no record of what changed or why. Quote Revise for Odoo app changes that. It works as a quotation version control layer on top of Odoo's sales app, locking every version as it's revised, letting you compare any 2 or 3 versions side by side and tracking exactly which version the client confirmed, all on one screen without digging through emails or chatter logs. This is QuoteRevise for Odoo by Ahex Technologies. Here's how it works.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In Odoo, sales quotations often go through multiple rounds of revisions before a final version is approved. Managing these changes can become challenging, especially when you need to track what was changed, compare previous versions, or restore an earlier quotations. That's where Code Revision for Odoo comes in. It gives you a simple and structured way to manage quotation revisions while keeping the original quotation clean, organized, and easy to track. In this video, let's see how QuoteRevise works and how it can make quotation management much easier. Let's start. First, we go to the sales module and then first we do some configuration. So for that, we will go to configuration and then go to setting. And in the setting, we will scroll down and we will come to the quotation and order. And there we find show revision number in printout and revision label. That is, if we want to show the revision number in the printout like it is revision 1, 2, or 3, then we have to enable this. And if we want to give the label on the printout, then it is already there, that revision label. Whatever the label we want to give on the revision printout, we can write here. After that, we will just click on save. So configuration has been done related to the code revision. Now we'll come to order, then go to quotations. Here we'll click on new. Like as the standard quotation, but we will select the customer, any customer we can select here. Then we will add the product. You can uh, take any product. And here we will select that which variant we want. Let's say we want the aluminum chair. Confirm it. And these two product our client wants in first quotation. So now save these quotations. Let's say you have sent this quotation to your client. So this has been marked as sent. Now let's say client wants some changes in these quotations. So for this, you will just click on create revision button. So when you will click on create revision, a pop-up will be visible. So in that you can see that what happened next. So it is already telling you that what happens next, like archiving. Like when you confirm this, it will save your current quotation as a read-only historical snapshot. Now in the editing part, your active quotation remains open so you can safely make new changes. And in the next step, you can make your edit, then use the mark as client confirm button before confirming the sale. Then it is also telling you that when to revise again. So you will only click the create revision again if the client reject the new draft and request further changes. So now we will select here that what is the reason behind the revision. We'll just click here, we will give the reason, whether it is the price revision, whether it is the product change, scope change, or it is client request or any other reason. Let's say it is about price, so I'm selecting the price. Any note, revision note you can give here, it's an optional thing. After that you will just click on create revision. Now it is your revision quotation. Now you can do the changes whatever you want. Like before, the price of this product is this, and now if you want to increase or decrease the price, you can do it. Like I'm increasing the price for this one and also for this. increasing. So before the my prices were different. Now I have changed the prices. And as soon as you change the prices and click on create revision, you can see that your original quotation has been visible here through the smart button. So now it's your new revision quotation. You can save it. So before clicking on confirm button, it is important that you have to click on mark as client confirm. Like when it is confirmed by client, then only you can confirm it. Otherwise, now if client want the another uh, revision quotation, then again you can do that. Click on create revision. You can give this revision reason, any reason you can give, and if there is the different reason from them, then you can change. You can select the other one. Like again you will do all these things. You can change anything like quantity you can change, and in the other information also anything you can change. So you also, if you want to change the product, let's say this is your first revision. Now client want to change the product or want to exchange the product, so in that case you will just click on create revision and then select your revision reason, product change, create revision. So let's say you are removing this product, you are adding some other product that is corner desk, and you have the option as well. You can choose it from them. Otherwise, give it like that. You have choose it. Now there is two revision for that. Now you will just click on save button, and now you want to compare your versions. Now you want to compare your revision quotations. So this is your revision 2. There will be a original quotation, there will be a revision 1 quotation. So we will just click on compare version to compare our quotation. So we can see what had changed in past. So for the prices, I can see, if you can see here, that before there was a product cabinet with tools. For that prices is something different which has been changed, and now it has been removed in the second division, so it is showing as status removed, and you have added a one new product, so it is showing as added this corner desk right side product. And also it is showing the amount, whether it is decreasing, what is the net change in the revision 1, 2, and the original revision. It is changing all this data here. Like before in the revision 1, the amount was $229. Now in the revision 2, the amount has been decreased, so it is showing you down arrow and in the red color, red arrow. After that, also the total was $229, and now the total is $206. So it has decreased. So now it is showing as a red. If it is increased, then it will show you as a green upward, as a upward arrow. So you can compare your revision quotation as well from here. Now you can also select that from version 1 or the initial quotation. You want to compare the version initial quotation or the revision 1. You can select it here. Like these two you want to compare, then it will come like that. That original quotation was this. Then you have changed the price from 140 to 170. It is showing you now from $39 to for $59. Then it has increased. It is showing you then upward arrow and in the green mark. So the net changed from original quotation to revision 1 is this. So that's how you can compare your versions. And if you want to compare the initial revision to the second revision, then it is also showing you as in green because it is increasing the prices. So now you can compare the price with this button. Now I will talk about the mark as client confirm. So when your client will confirm that this quotation is the final quotation, then only you can just click on mark as client confirmed, and then after clicking on mark as client confirm, then only you can click on confirm button. But before clicking on mark as client confirm, if you click on confirm button, so it will gives you error. Then it will gives you a pop-up like please ensure the quotation is marked as client confirmed before confirming the quotation. So this functionality is also there. Now let's say your client has confirmed this. First, you will click here, then this window will be visible, like what will be the confirmation method, by email or by phone call, portal, physical signature, whatever the method it is, you can select it here. After that, from which vendor it has been confirmed or from which customer it has been confirmed, then you can select here. After that, what is the confirmation date, then what is the confirmation reference number. If there is any document from the customer side, then you can attach it here. If you want to add any additional notes, then you can also write the notes here. After that, you will just click on confirm approval. You have to select the customer. So like that, it has been confirmed now. We have already compared the versions. We have now we will confirm it because our client has already confirmed it. Now we can click on confirm. So that is your final quotations. And here is also a smart button for the initial revision method. You can see in the history that what has been changed. So in the revision one, the price has changed. It is showing you here, and in the revision 2, the product has changed. So as a history, it will show you everything. So that's all about the sales quote revision. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
From the first quotation through every revision to the version your client finally confirms, your entire Odoo negotiation history stays locked, comparable, and on record with side-by-side version comparison, client confirmation tracking, and revision analytics all available without leaving your Odoo quotation. QuoteRevise for Odoo is available now on the Odoo App Store. If you've got questions or want to know more, reach out to us now. Our contact number, email, and website are right here on screen. Explore our full range of plugins now on the Odoo App Store. Simply search Ahex Technologies on the Odoo App Store to discover more plugins built to solve exactly what your business needs, or use the link in the description to go straight to our page.